Welcome back again your own channel. So in today's video we will know about Realme, Oppo, Poco, Xiaomi, any Android handset. Due to many comments on these handsets, so it's known from the comment section that there is lots of locking complaint is coming. So in today's videos I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home without going to any service center. Just you have to follow some simple step with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip, then you will be able to understand about this process very well. So this method is called offline method. As you can see that below this screen interface, emergency call option is here. So just you have to click on on emergency call, and now you can see emergency page is open right now. So now we are going to share you some secret code for unlocking process. So this code is very helpful for all the Android viewers. So just apply this code and unlock your Android phone at any time without going to any service center. If you want to screenshot, take a screenshot. If you want to note down this screenshot, I'm going to zoom this code. And now we have to call on this number, and you can see call failed pop-up message is coming. Ignore this message, and now it's time to erase this number and do and mail one thing. Just so what I am telling in this code may support in many handsets but may not support in many handsets also. So if you have any issue after completing this video, if you are not able to unlock your phone, please comments in my comment section box and share your issues. Then I will let you know how to unlock your Android phone. Please share your Android mobile handset number and what is your Android phone, Realme, Oppo, anything. You just share me. Now it's time to again we have to press one number. This is emergency code number, and this engineer mode page is open. Actually, a star has 899 and has. So now you can see engineer mode page is open. Now we have to check Android version. So now you can see our Android version is 12. So first we have to press the same number on this page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have to come back from this option. Again check your manual text and second row device debugging page and press sensor self test and calibration option and press this two number. One is gyroscope and another one is accelerometer. Press the both the option on the same time, don't delay. Again we have to apply this method again and again. So now you can see one is text pass. Now it's time to the last option we have to apply. Now you can see the other page. There are so many option is coming. 4 5 option is coming. So first we have to check rewrite important log test and confirm here. Now you can see wrong password is there. So now you can understand your pin password is reset. What is your Android version? As you can see the last previous page. So our Android version is 12. So our database version or mainboard version, whatever it is. So press your 12 number here. After that you have to come back, and now it's done after completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So now press the home button. So friend, as you can see our phone is unlocked without help of any computer, without help of any data cable, and without going to any service center. Our phone is unlocked without any loss of application or data. So friend, I hope you like this video. Then you will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.